Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Find X3 Neo, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. To make this device faster, first you need to open the settings and find about device. Here find the storage, and as you can see, there is no calculation here, oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see, I have used only 25 gigabytes of 256, and it's maybe, I don't know, 11%, 15% or something about it. But never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full, so 70% it's maybe here. And when you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your smartphone will start to slowing down. So never fill up your storage over the 70%. If you filled up, so remove the content from your device to free up the space. Second aspect is the RAM. You have RAM expansion feature on your device, and I suggest to use 8 gigabytes of expansion on your device. And click go back and click restart now. I will click not now, but you need to click restart now. I'm recording this video, so I don't want to make this video longer. And the last thing is the junk files in RAM, old applications in RAM, and other in this theme. So what we need to do, we have in tools phone manager application and optimize button. So open it, wait a while, and click optimize in to make it once a week maybe, and you repeating this action once a week, you will keep your device in good condition. And of course, on your device you have files application, but I can't find it. Wait for it. Okay, here we have files by Google application. Click allow, and here you will see the click button. And using this button, this is print styled app on your device. And here, as you can see, we have the junk files, unnecessary files taking up space. Click clean and click clear. In this way, you will clear unnecessary junk files, leaving after old applications on your device, and this way you will always keep your device in good condition. Of course, in the battery you can find the device charging more settings. Wait a while, where we have the power saving. Oh, okay, it's here. Power saving mode, and in the power saving mode you need to disable it because because when you're using power saving mode, your processor performance is cutting down to 70% of processor performance. So and last thing you can do, so I will enable light mode. You can do, of course, you don't need to do it, but you can change your screen refresh rate to standard, because of course screen refresh rate is using a lot of processor performance, but in the standard mode your smartphone will not too smooth like in this with high refresh rate, because high it's 90 Hz, and standard it's only 60 standard Hertz. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.